Hello, thanks for calling.
Hello, I'm interested in buying some air bearings for a project we are working on. I've heard about New Way air bearings and I'm curious to learn more about them.
Yep, I can put you in touch with Tripp, who is one of the applications engineer here at New Way.
The benefit that we bring is that no matter what it is you're trying to do, you actually won't have contact between our bearings and the actual product that you're moving itself. That is something that before our product had never been done before. Anything that any of our customers would use our product for would be to try and extend the shelf life of their products and to in turn make their products a better product. That is what we try to do here.
I'm very impressed. How do you make these incredible products?
Let me communicate with Mike, who is the product engineering manager here.
Air bearings start out with taking raw materials such as aluminum or stainless steel and turning into a physical part through either milling or turning. From there we take graphite and we machine graphite and assemble the graphite and metal component together, and through a finishing process of grinding and lapping we turn it into a functional air bearing.
This is fascinating. You have me very intrigued. What do you find so cool about manufacturing?
Yeah, let me put you in contact with Andrew. He can answer the rest of your questions. Andrew is a design and manufacturing engineer.
Manufacturing is it's the reason we live in the world we do today. All of these new technologies were made possible by new manufacturing techniques, and that gives basically new lives that people can live. And every advancement that we have in new manufacturing processes is an improvement for the life that people can live. So what I think is special about manufacturing is that it kind of brings a new meaning to the world.
Thank you for calling New Way Air Bearings. I'm glad I could talk to you today. I hope you found what you're looking for.
Thank you for your time.
All right, bye.